Hi, I'm Dr. Uma Sharma. I'm taking online chemistry classes on camtopper.com. In this Lewis dot structures series, we are going to learn Lewis dot symbols of group 2A elements of the periodic table. It is very important to know about valence electrons and how to calculate valence electrons for making a correct Lewis dot symbol. As we have discussed in earlier classes also, that valence electrons can be determined with the help of group number, or these are the electrons which are present in the outermost shell of the electronic configuration. For making Lewis dot symbol, the very first step is to write on the symbol of the element. Here I have selected barium as an example. Symbol of the barium is Ba. Second step is to find the position of this element in the periodic table and predict its valence electrons. Barium is in group number 2, its valence electrons are 2. Or you can predict its valence electrons with the help of electronic configuration also. You can see that in case of barium, it has 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So its valence electrons are 2. Now we are going to place valence electrons around the symbol of the element as dots. These 2 electrons are present as a pair, so we are going to place them as a pair around the symbol of the element. So this is the correct Lewis dot symbol of barium element in the ground state. All group 2 elements with their general electronic configuration as Ns2, they all have 2 valence electrons because their outermost shell has only 2 electrons. So in their Lewis dot representation, we are going to place 2 dots as a pair of electrons on the symbol of the element. This is the Lewis dot representation of all elements of group 2 in their ground state. X can be replaced with the help of the symbol of the element. The ground state electronic configuration and excited state configuration of these elements are going to be different. So their Lewis dot symbols will be different. For example, beryllium atom, it has 2 electrons as a pair in 2s orbital in the outermost shell. So these 2 electrons we are going to put as 2 dots as a pair on beryllium atom in its Lewis dot symbol. This we are talking about the ground state electronic configuration where we have 2 electrons as a pair. Now let's see what happens when beryllium is getting ready to get bonded with other elements. One of the electrons from 2s orbital will get excited and will jump in one of the 2p orbital. The energy difference between 2s and 2p is not so large, so this transition can take place easily. And this is the excited state electronic configuration of beryllium, where one electron is present in 2s and one electron is present in 2p. So we are going to put these 2 electrons as 2 unpaired electrons around the symbol of beryllium. And this is the correct Lewis dot symbol of beryllium atom in the excited state. So all group 2 elements in their excited state has 2 unpaired electrons in their Lewis dot representation. In this tutorial, we had learned about making of Lewis dot symbols of group 2 elements. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to draw Lewis dot symbol of group 3 elements of the periodic table. If this video has been helpful to you, please click on subscribe and like icon below the video and share it with others on Facebook or Twitter. If you want to learn chemistry online from me or for more chemistry resources, please visit my website www.camtopper.com.